Hey everyone, Gil at Gray Man Prepping. Got another big unboxing here. Let me get out the thing. I know what's in it. It's the last piece of the, second to last piece that my daughter's going to need across the street to help keep animals in line and keep the people out of certain areas. Oh, and it's also got another bonus in here too I forgot about. So, let's start first with the extra bonus. I decided to get a quarter-inch thick piece of a fiberware glass cutting board. It's just easier to keep clean and everything else, and it'll work great for when I'm trimming up the pot roast and stuff before I put them in the crock pot. So this is the one thing I just got. Put it out of the way over here. And the other thing here, let's get rid of the packing out of it. So this is the high visibility hot wire. And this is, make sure they sent me the right one here. Make sure it says on it how much. Yeah, 3,366 feet of this. So should be able to use that over there. And let me get this out of the way. So, yeah. So this is good for any type of livestock. And I want to say something else, but I might get in trouble if I mentioned the two-legged rascals. But yeah, so this will keep the animals in and the animals out. She also has a problem with deer, and that's where this is going to come in handy, putting it up to keep the deer out of the garden area. So we'll see how well this works this spring here, and probably tomorrow, since it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, we'll get out there, start driving T-posts and stringing the hot wire up. All right? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. All right, hold it, time out. The previous one I just recorded here, unfortunately, was not 3 minutes long, and so if I tried uploading it, YouTube would try to treat it as a short and put all sorts of limitations of what I could do on it, like not allowing anyone to do mixing from it. So I decided to wait a day, and now it's the next day, and now I got a boxing and unbagging. Let's try that again. Let me get hold of it. Hold it there. A boxing and an unbagging. Besides the one we just had. So this one's going to be easy for the first one. I know what it is just because I can feel what it is. It's for the indoor garden. That over there. It's another set of these. I already used the other ones up. I got a bunch more ready to be that I need more trays for in the indoor garden. That means my indoor garden's growing. Almost came back to me. Boomerang. All right, let's get the everyday carry box cutter out here and open up this box here. You get a lot of stuff out of here. Oh yeah. Well, nothing got broken, but they could have put a little more packing in it. This is all the packing, and it's half full. All right, so this one here, this is, I think I know what this is. This is also for the indoor garden. Yeah. This is so I can run the timers for the light switches and stuff. I got a 2-pack. Oh, but wait, there's more. I got another 2-pack. So there's 4 of those little things. That way I can use some of the ones I've been using, put them back where I'm supposed to be using them at. This goes with all that other fencing stuff I've been getting the last couple days. Sometimes this stuff just doesn't want to come off right. There we go. That goes in the trash. this one opens up here. Okay. Hang on. So this is part of the accessory pack here. We got a bunch of wires and stuff for it. This is to hook onto a battery if I need to use it when the power's out. And the rest of it here, here's the actual plug it into the wall unit. And this is a 3.5 joule fence charger. So this is what I'll be using to charge the fence over there to keep the deer out of my daughter's garden, out of the front yard, and to keep critters away from the chickens and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna toss this box. I'm gonna keep this in this box. Maybe if I get to line up here right. There we go. So I'm just gonna keep this stuff in here and take this across the street tomorrow. So I'll put that back over here. That goes across the street. My wallet. It's old. The outside of it's in good condition. However, the inside portion here. Let me get this opened up here so I can. Come on. Work. And it's got a lot of sticky on it. There we go. This part of it, you put your driver's license and some credit cards and pictures in, is falling apart, and my driver's license keeps trying to fall out. So I got to order a 2-pack because the way that wallet's going, it's going to last me through this one and into this one. So this was relatively cheap. I think it was under $6. So I got 2 of those and put that over here. Now the next thing I got here is some more trays to put the pots in. These were cheaper. This was almost as cheap as the 2-pack at Sam's Club, and this is a 4-pack. So I got that, and I'll just set this over here. And I got a little thing here. Let me get it open here. Cut the tape just right so it works right. There we go. This one's a little bit different because the computer I do my book writing on is sitting back in a little cubby hole, and the short. Okay, I don't need this, so I can toss that. And oh, hang on, what's in there? Oh, instructions. Like plug in here and plug things to it is not self-explanatory. Whee! I'm gonna set those over here just in case. So I got one here set up with a little bit longer cord so it can reach in, it can reach out so I can change USB drives and stuff like that really easy. And this, yeah. So that's it. Here. So with these now, I can go ahead and start wiring up the new setup, which you haven't seen yet. And I got to go do, well, yeah, you may have saw a glimpse of it, but not how I've got it all going in there now. So probably tomorrow I may wire these in tonight, a couple of these in tonight, and then start hanging lights in it so you can see what it's going to look like. And that way you'll know why I got these and everything. All right. With that, stay happy, stay safe, add to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill every month, and make sure it's a usable skill both after and before the end of the world as we know it.